as you know, it was your test. So here the solution of all the sums are just going to explain. First sum was, you have to just write the law for x to the power m to the power n. It's one law. You have done so many law, and out of these laws, one is to be given as your first sum as a test. So power to power is there. So answer of this one, x to the power m to the power n, means if the power of power is given, then the both powers got multiply. So answer will become x to the power m into n. So into means we can just avoid the sign of multiply also. So answer will be x to the power mn. Okay, if you have written like this, m multiplying n, means symbol is also visible, give only half marks. If you have just removed the symbol also, then you have to give 1 mark. If you have written directly also, then also you can give the full mark. Okay, clear? Now second question, that is 1 by 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 to the power minus 2 plus 3 to the power 0. Okay, here two laws will be implemented, that is x to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon x to the power m, or second law will be x to the power 0 that is equal to 1. So writing the law, that is marks is half. Okay, now just see, as minus exponent is to be there, if we will do the reciprocal, then it will become positive. So 1 by 2 to the power minus 2 will become 2 to the power 2. Plus in the same way 1 by 3 to the power minus 2 will become 3 to the power 2, and anything raised to power 0, that is always 1. Clear up to this one? Clear? So just taking the reciprocal and making the power positive, half marks more. Now do the square of 2, do the square of 3 and write 1 again, means opening the square, that will gives you again half marks more. 2 square, that is 4, 3 square, that is 9, 1 as it is. Now do the addition of all these, 4, 9 and 1, that is 4, 9, 13 and 1, 14 is your answer. So just see the marks again, half mark formula, half mark to make the power positive, then half marks to open the squares, then half marks to combine, total 2 marks. Clear? Now let's come to the third sum. In third sum you have to find the value of x. So you have to find the value of x. So the statement was 2 to the power x divided by 2 to the power minus 3, that is equal to 2 to the power 5. So from here I can say that 32, first of all you have to convert in the power of 2, as we want to make everywhere the base same. So first of all write 32 by prime factorization, you can show, or you can just directly write that 32 can be written in the form of 2 to the power 5, because if you make the prime factorization of 32, that is to be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. This you have already done in cube root as well as in square root, prime factorization. Okay, so 32 can be expressed as 2 to the power 5. Now which sign is to be given to us? Yes, divide. So we have to apply the law of division. In law of division, x to the power m divided by x to the power n, that is equal to x to the power m minus n. So it will become 2 to the power m minus of minus 3, that is equal to 2 to the power 5. Okay, so minus minus will become plus, so it will become 2 to the power x plus 3. Okay, as the exponent x is given, so x, it will is to be x minus of minus 3, that is 2 to the power 5. Now it will become 2 to the power x plus 3 is equal to 2 to the power 5. Now just equate, see, in both are having the single base, that is 2. Okay, if the bases are same and the sign of equality is to be there, we can say that their exponents are also equal. So we are going to equate their exponents also. Now exponent will become x plus 3, that is equal to 5. From this we are just able to solve how to find the value of any variable. Just be changing the position of the constant term. Here 3 is constant, we are just to be going to shift on right hand side, as the sign is given to us plus, so it will change into minus. So value of x is equal to 2. Now again see the marks, how I have just to be divide the marks. First of all, if you are just converting 32 as 2 to the power 5, that is half marks. Okay, showing of 32 and writing log, that is to be half marks. Or if you are going to directly writing 2 to the power 5, then only la contains half mark. Okay, now again apply just to be law on the statement that 2 to the power x minus of minus 3 is equal to 2 to the power 5, and this negative comes become positive. So 2 to the power x plus 3 is equal to 2 to the power 5, that these two steps contain 1 mark. Means up to here we are getting 1.5 plus half, means 2 marks. Half marks law, half marks 2 to the power 5, and half marks 2 to the power x plus 3 is equal to 2 to the power 5. Okay, up to here 2 marks. Now same base equal exponent, so we equate x plus 3 is equal to 5, x is equal to 5 minus 3, x is equal to 2. Up to this we are having 1 mark. Okay, if any step is missing, you can just deduct the marks accordingly. Give the marks with honesty only. Okay, next sum number 4th. Sum number 4th, a part was do the simplify. Simplify, that was 25 into, question was 25 into t to the power minus 4 upon 5 to the power minus 3 into 10 into t to the power minus 8. As we are just seen, our statement is given with the negative exponent, so we want to make it first positive. How we can make it positive? We can make it positive if we do the reciprocal of this one. So here again the same law will be applied, that make the power positive, means x to the power minus m, that is equal to 1 upon x to the power m. So we are going to make the positive statement by just reciprocal. So first half marks is to writing the law. Don't think you are missing your law, you will not deduct the marks. Laws also having the marks, so you must write the law. If you have not written, deduct your marks. Okay, now this negative exponent 4, which is to be given in numerator, become positive when it comes in denominator, and t to the power minus 8 given in denominator, so it become positive when it goes to numerator. So your statement, and 5 to the power minus 3 is to be given in denominator, it will become positive when it comes in numerator, means reciprocal. So our answer will become 25 into t to the power 8 into 5 to the power 3 upon 10 into t to the power 4. As you have changed the position by negative to positive, your half marks will be just be added more. Okay, now not more, you just take these two steps is together also. So 25 into 5 to the power 3, these same variables have the same base but the different powers and in division, so apply the law of divide. Okay, divide law. Okay. If you have written single law, if you have written both law, then half marks can be given, means law must be written. It can be 1, it can be 2. Okay, so it will become 25 into 5 to the power 3 upon 10 into t to the power 8 minus 4. Doing the calculation and just be writing the whole step contains 1.5 marks, because this step is most important. Because in this step you are just showing the exponent law also by subtraction and doing the calculation also, that is cancellation. Okay, and table of 5 is to be used for doing the cancellation. 25, that is to be cut at 5 with 5, and 10 is cut at 2, means 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. Okay, now you will left with 515 into 5 to the power 3. 5 to the power 3 means 4 times multiply. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625. So numerator will become 625 and the denominator is only left with 2. So variable exponent, that is t to the power 4. This answer step, that is of half marks. Okay, clear? This question contains 3 marks and the last question standard form is of 1 mark. Okay, clear? Half marks law, half marks reciprocal, 1.5 marks of calculation, half marks is of answer. Clear? Now B part is to be write in standard form. If you are going to write in standard form, you must have to just keep in mind the exponent will be negative as the decimal in the started, and the rule 1 digit before the decimal and the rest will be after the decimal. So it will become 3.2 into 10 raised to power minus 4, means half marks of this one, half marks of this one. Total 1 mark. If it is to be the whole correct, give the 1 mark completely. If one step is to be correct, give the half marks. Now do the marking, just do the calculation or as a whole marks, means how many you are just be getting out of 10. Clear? And then send to me. Clear? So that I can just maintain your record. I can just make the entry of your marks in my personal diary. Clear? Okay, bye students. I hope you have done well. Bye.